What's up, everybody? I am Jasprit Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Hey, do you like coffee? Oh yeah, I can't start my day unless I have a Starbucks Venti Frappuccino. So I don't drink coffee, I'm a tea drinker. Whether you are a tea connoisseur or a coffee addict, paying $5.25 every morning for your caffeine fix can definitely add up. But are you really peeing away $1 million by buying coffee every morning like Suze Orman says? I mean, if that's the case, then you might want to start collecting your tea. So today, I want to talk about your expensive tea, and whether it's really killing your wallet the way that so many financial teachers say it is. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe to the Minority Mindset YouTube channel. That way you don't miss any new videos every week. Okay, let's say you go to work 5 days a week and every day on your way to work you stop by a Starbucks to pick up your tall venti grande latte, whatever. And this costs you $5.25 per drink. And 5 days a week means that you're paying $26.25 per week times 4 weeks a month. So you're paying $105 per month or $1,260 a year that you're just peeing away. Ouch. Now, spending $1,000 a year times 40 years doesn't equal $1 million. But you're not just spending the money, you're also losing the opportunity to invest your money. So now, let's say you take that same $1,260 that you were spending on coffee every single year, and instead of just spending it on coffee, you invested this money. And you do this for 45 years. So you don't buy coffee for your whole life. 45 years you don't buy coffee, and you can get a consistent 11% return on your money year after year after year. Well now, you peed away the opportunity to have $1.5 million in your account. Ouch. Looks like you should start collecting your tea. In theory, yes, if all of your stars and moons align and you deprive yourself from buying a $5 coffee every single day for the rest of your life, and you invest those $5 every single day and you can get a consistent 11% return year after year after year, then yes, you lose out on the opportunity cost of having $1.5 million. But now, let's translate this coffee theory to reality. See what I did there? Reality. I'm so funny sometimes. Look, I'm sorry to be the one to break the news to you, but you are not broke because you spent $5 on coffee every day. You're broke because your whole financial system is screwed up. Right now, 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. If you gave each one of these people an extra $26 a week, which is how much you're spending on coffee right now, well, in 6 months, 78% of Americans will still be living paycheck to paycheck. Look, if you're broke or you're drowning in debt or you're struggling to pay your bills, then yeah, you should absolutely not be buying a Starbucks coffee every morning. Let's make sure that's loud and clear. But your Starbucks coffee is not the reason why you're broke, and it's not the reason why you won't have $1 million when you're 65 years old. Blaming your lack of $1 million on a $5 cup of coffee every morning is like blaming your weight problems on the broken leg machine at the gym. Yeah, I know you can't do your leg curls like you wanted to today, but you could stop shoving fries down your face, and you could walk on the treadmill today, and you could work out your arms today. But today was leg day, Justin. What do you want me to do? Huh? If you're broke, I'm gonna say this again, you shouldn't be buying Starbucks coffee. But the issue isn't the $5 that you're spending, it's the mindset that you have. When you're building yourself or when you're trying to fix your finances, you gotta put in the sacrifice and do whatever it takes to lay the foundation of your finances. That means you need to stop the financial bleeding by stop letting money leave your wallet. So it's not just the Starbucks, it's the Netflix, the Hulu, the monthly massage membership you have. You have to build that mental discipline so you can lay that financial foundation so you can buy the things you want and afford them. Once you create your financial base, you lay the foundation. So now you're not living paycheck to paycheck. You have a savings account built up and you have maybe an extra income stream like from a side hustle or your investments coming in, and now you have some extra cash every week. Obviously, investing your money is going to give you the best financial return, but you also don't want to live like you're broke forever and stop yourself from enjoying life and deprive yourself from buying things even when you have the money. That's why our budgeting plans tell you to spend, save, and invest a percentage of your income. That way, if you make more, you invest more, but you also have more money to spend. And if you want to learn more about how to budget your money the smart way, I made a video on YouTube that you can watch after this video, and I'll link it in the description below. Alright, so now you put in the sacrifice and you lay the foundation and you're not living paycheck to paycheck and you have extra cash every month. What do you do about your coffee or tea fix? Think of it like buying a car. Some of you want to drive in a Bentley and others want to drive in a 1997 Toyota Camry. Your car is not an investment. It's a liability, it's a consumer expense, and it will go down in value. If you want to buy a nice car or a supercar or a luxury car, cool. Just make sure you can afford it without worrying about the price. You buy a car because of the experience and because you like it, not because of the resale value of it, or that's at least what you should be doing. Your coffee is the same way. If you like the experience of going into Starbucks and ordering your tall venti latte and you can afford it, well, that's the luxury that you're working for because you want to buy that experience. Being money smart is not stopping yourself from buying anything that costs you money. Being financially smart means creating a financial system. This way you know how much to spend and how much to invest. This way you can create more income. This way you can afford the things that you want and afford the things that you like to do. And for some of you, that might mean drinking a tall venti latte. Cheers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every week at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.